What's up, family? It's day 3 or training 3 of 20 minutes talking with myself, talking to the camera, getting back better at using my words. Hopefully, today was quite a horrible day. It started bad and finished good, so I was just really tired the morning and not feeling well. I felt like I had to vomit or something like that. So that wasn't quite good and I drifted. But then I ate something and eventually my mood and my overall health and feeling got better. So I ended up doing the 1,000 jumps. Day 11 we did it. Doing both feet at the same time and just not like boxers do. They switch foots like every time they jump because I think it's like better for my calves and feet because the weight is more balanced or more distributed. So yeah, that helps a bit. Still feeling it. So hopefully I can manage it for the rest of the 19 days that it will not get worse but get better. Yeah, so what I did today was actually only going to the gym, doing one of Kenny's classes. So how to script was about scripting. And yeah, I was calling with my dad. I was calling with a friend of mine. I'm looking for a piano, so this is what I did today as well. I was writing some messages for people who sell their pianos, because I really have the urge to continue playing piano. I love it. I'm not good at it, but I want to learn it. So this is why I really want to get one here. I have one in Freiburg already, but I want to have one here and in Freiburg as well. So that's what I'm looking for currently as well. And hopefully I'll get one. I'm not buying a new one because that's hella expensive. I'm buying a used one in good condition, hopefully. But yeah, like I said, I need to find one, so I wrote some messages to some people. And yeah, I'll follow up on them tomorrow. I'm looking for the answers. So yeah, what's another thing I did today? What did I do today? Of course, grocery shopping Friday evening. My roommate came from Spain. I talked a little bit with him. Yeah, I did not much. I cut my hair. This is something that takes a lot of time because I'm at the beginning as well. In the beginning as well, I'm not like that good at it for now. Like you can see, you can still see the lines, and I want to get rid of them. But somehow the left side is better than the right side. But that's something I'm working on as well, so it takes a lot of time. I wanted to wash my hairs today, but it got too late, so I'm doing it tomorrow morning. Because with that much of hair and overall my hair, sorry, they need like to be washed, but not like daily, but 2 or 1 time a week. But then properly with conditioner, shampoo, leave-in conditioner, oil, So yeah, that's what I'm doing tomorrow morning, because in the evening you shouldn't sleep with hair. That's not good for your scalp, and I think for your hair as well. So yes, for tomorrow I don't have a lot planned. Of course, the 1,000 jumps, I want to do them, and of course I want to place a camera right there, because it's easier to look at the camera like this. Of course, I want to continue with the course of Kenny. So I'm planning to go into a cafe and just do a little study session. What's is what is sorry, what is bad for me is that I forgot my college block, like the paper to write on, or where I'm writing all my notes down, is unfortunately also in Freiburg. Like my gym pass, I forgot a lot of things, and that is, I don't know why, but I'm structured. I'm poet like it. I have like the tick that I want to have everything in order, not in order like I'm an autistic guy and I want to have a clean room, and everything has to be on its place. But in the topic of gathering thoughts, gathering notes, I want to have everything structured. And I got like, because the course of Kenny has a lot of classes, and I got, for each class I have its own chapter in this college block. So continuing with the classes is something where I'm procrastinating right now, because I don't I don't like to do the notes on like another paper, which is like just all over the place then, and then I have to find every paper and structure it again. So this is something that holds me up, but I'm not going to Freiburg in 2 weeks, so I have to do it, and I will do it tomorrow, starting tomorrow. Also reading. I read Your Next 5 Moves from Patrick Bet David, and I actually love the book so far because it's just the right thing I need right now in order to get back to my routines. So I'm not far in this book. I'm at page 19 actually. But so far so good. But I will keep you updated. And starting tomorrow, I think I will share my learnings actually. Having some mindset talk, some learnings. Because yeah, I need to get back on track. Like I said in the last videos, routines are low key all over the place. I'm using gym, right? I didn't mention that, because during the week where I did camps, or like did the football camp, I was going to the gym before the football camp, like at 7 a.m. in the morning or 6 a.m. And I trained once legs, but I was in the hurry because of time. I had enough time, and I squatted, and I did something to my back because I didn't squat with the belt, with the, I don't know how it's called, the weight belt, and since then I after that, like straight up, I had really disgusting lower back pain. Um, I was like, I couldn't go down properly because I felt it straight away. And now it's better, but I still feel it. And I think I need, it was so long ago that I had a proper massage, so I need to have that. And this is something I'm afraid to train against squatting. I think this week is just to get back onto the proper routine, doing 1,000 jumps, doing some calisthenics. I did some sit to handstand, some handstand push-ups, push-up tries. I'm able to do just one, like already one, as you can turn it around like you want. For me, it's good that I can do one, but I'm not happy with it because I know it's long due and I want to do more. But for now, I appreciate the one rep that I'm able to do. So, yes. Yeah, right. So, I need to get the confidence back to train my legs to squat again because of my lower back. And yes, this is something I was thinking about. So yeah, it's crazy. Today is like a little bit harder to speak. We are at 11 minutes and 75 seconds, 85, 95, 50. And yeah, what should I talk about? Just for the record, for those of you who don't know me that much, and for those people who are really watching those videos, I think it's not a lot of people, and if even one person is watching it, I'm sharing something about me to my person. I'm 24, like I mentioned already. I'm Fabian Luis, Fabian Daniel Luis is Daniel is my second name. Luis is my last name, and I'm really into adventure, into sports, adventure in the meaning of I love being in nature. I love finding new places and going into the unknown. So that's something I really appreciate and love to do. And back in Freiburg, there's a forest nearby, and I love walking into the forest by night when it's pitch dark. You can't even see your hands before your eyes. I love something like that. All the stuff. Also, sports. I love doing all kind of sports, like snowboarding. I'm doing snowboard, not ski. Ski I haven't learned until now. Snowboarding I love. That's the only snow sport that I'm doing, but it's fun enough. I would say. Then I love to play football. I played football almost like half of my life. I am still training football, but not playing football anymore since I was, I think, with 21 or 20. I stopped playing football because of COVID, and I wanted to focus on calisthenics. I would love, and I am doing in the future. I'm doing a year of Muay Thai or grappling, focusing on a combat sport because I really love it as well. I did some for 6 months. I was starting with kickboxing and boxing and doing grappling. But because of the mix with calisthenics and boxing, I had really bad elbow pain and wrist pain as well. So I stopped boxing and kickboxing and started grappling, which I still had a lot of fun with, and I think yeah, everybody should try and do that. It's for the mental thing. It's a discipline thing. It's a self confidence thing. I think there's so many positive factors on doing that and doing that properly. So I want to get back at it as soon as possible. I'd love to do 1 year in Thailand or um, every I think in my mind it was Thailand to do some Muay Thai because that's like the fashion, or that's what I was seeing on YouTube as well from different guys. I think as soon as I have my first passive income that is enough, I will do that for sure. Dedicating a year to Muay Thai, fighting, combat, um, shaping myself a little bit more, and I love all kind of ball sports like volleyball, like tennis. I play tennis with my dad a lot back then. Now, unfortunately, he can't play tennis anymore for the moment. Hopefully, in the future, he can come back. But yeah, what do I play? Basketball. I play a little bit. Mm, basketball, football, tennis, volleyball. Rugby I play once. I think of the sport as fun, but it's not a daily sport. Or like a sport that I do with friends. Like table tennis is something I do with friends. Mm, I do. I used to run a lot, and I will pick up that again because I promised to a good friend who is doing marathons on a daily basis. Sorry for the stuttering right there. On a daily basis that I'm doing a marathon with him, so I need to train for it, and it's in April, the 12th April. So I need to start training for it again. But yeah, I used to do mountain bike with my friends as well, and I don't know how it's called. It's not. It's like Tour de France with the bikes, with the fast bikes. I did that as well, and but like not on a regular basis, but from time to time I did that. Inline skate, ice skating. I think overall I'm pretty sport attracted guy. Of course calisthenics, of course gym, of course swimming as well. So I love all kind of sports, um, and even if I'm not good at swimming, I will get good at it because I hated it and started training for it because of the test I want to do here in Köln for the university. And then I really appreciate it because I became good at it, or like not good, but I became able to swim multiple um, multiple, how do you call it, multiple tracks, or um, for a longer distance. And then it really gave me also the a fun factor, I would say, and other things. I love to learn. I love to learn new things. I would love to develop myself to kind of master skills like camera skills, video editing skills. If I would have the time, I would learn. I would learn everything. Um, Not everything, but a lot of things like programming, like a lot of the instruments as well. I love to play piano, but if I had a choice, and I have it, but now I don't have the time, and it's easier with money to pay good teachers to help you learning the skill. I would love to play other instruments as well, like the guitar or the drums. So I really love all kind of skills. That's why I try to learn as much as I can through books, through courses, because I really am a person that is or that want to create and be able to use the full potential of the human being and the human body, the human capacities. Because if you see all those people on Instagram with all those different skills, these skills I can learn as well, and this is something that I really love to do as well, because if I'm as a human, I'm capable to do a handstand push-ups, all this kind of stuff. I feel like I'm wasting all this potential not doing it. So, of course, my life is destined to end in at some point, but in this time, I really want to learn and learn as much skills as possible, and I see it kind of as leveling myself up, because I really love to learn new skills and um, how to unlock new paths in life. So, but for now, I'm focusing on video editing, social media, building a personal brand, calisthenics, piano, and myself, leveling up myself, understanding myself, getting to understand and be able to change things and customize myself as I want to have myself, like not freeing myself from the chains that are attached from my unconscious being, unconscious mind, from the generations back, from the karma of my family, from the patterns that I learned from my parents, from my grandparents, from my surroundings, environment. I want to free myself, or be able to free myself conscious from all those things, and redevelop a new system that I really want to or envision myself, and want to have myself. So this is all possible, and I know it. I see people doing it. So this is my mission as well, to unlock the full potential that I'm able to be. But for that, I first need to understand myself, to work with myself, and that's why I try to level up daily. I try to do my best. Also, if it's not like, if it's easier said than done, because I'm drifting a lot. I'm not perfect, and I can still do better, be better. But yeah, it's a journey. It's a journey I'm going. I'm doing my best. Like I said, it's not every time possible. Of course, I as well have unconscious patterns that that is sabotaging myself as well. That is corrupting my system, corrupting myself, my habits, and I'm about to find them first. Then I like uncode them, then code them new again, create new habits and change them, switch them up. But that's, like I said, it's a journey, and we are going step by step, like one step after another. Yes. So this is day 3 of my journey. Day 3 of my documenting. Day 3 of my improving the speech, being more comfortable before the camera, speaking more clearly. May. Hopefully it helps. I think that I have still difficulties to really give the right nuances to my speech, to what I want to say, and setting the right tones. I think I'm too much thinking about what I'm saying, how I need to say it. Then I have like, then I can to make my thoughts around tones and before I need to learn how to phrase clear sentences. Like you can see, like the last sentence was horrible. But yeah, we get in there. So that's why I'm showing up daily, 20 minutes. We are at 26 minutes already. It will take a lot of time to upload this on YouTube. So that's why I'm making a cut here and see you tomorrow. Much love. Do your best. Give your best. Um, Follow if you want to be the a part of the journey. Follow if you're on the same journey and want to grow with me. Um, I would appreciate that. I appreciate you anyway. If you're seeing this, much love. Have a blessed life. Have a blessed day, and see you tomorrow. Peace.